pretty smooth ride. For the most part, I ain't got the floor like I want to. You know, we obey the traffic laws around here at RevitAuto. But yeah, it's a pretty smooth ride.
Hit the traffic circle. Take the third exit on
got some nice technology. The only issue is I haven't been able to find out what's up with the radio, like how to turn it on. I know there's a way you can do it, but I don't know how to do it. So maybe in episode 2 we'll figure that out. But yeah, we're almost at our destination. So I'll check in with you guys later. So we can see the music playing on here, but when it comes to turning the volume up and down, you know, no music's coming out. So maybe there's a setting that we didn't hit properly or what. We're recording right now and the music connected to the phone, so you see it not moving, that's why. But yeah, we've been trying to figure this thing out for the last 20 minutes.